have First Caribbean International Bank, we have Sagicor Bank. All right, so I want you to understand that as we're here on the commercial banking sector, there are two accounts I want you to understand that exist. You have the checking account and you have the savings account. The savings account is basically the account that you take and you put your money that you want to keep for an event, you want to keep for an occurrence that is in the future. All right, you want cash or liquidity. In your checking account, what happens is that you are going to get your pay from whatever entity they pay you, and right after they pay you, what I want you to do is have an instant transfer into your savings account. Once you do that, you will somewhat put a barrier so that if someone tries to access money from your checking account, they cannot access because there's no funds available. All right, so you put that money in a savings account, maybe in the same bank, in a different section. All right, so with the restrictions that are placed and the difficulty, the authentications, even with those systems in place, people are still able to breach the system. And because they have so many different systems and different levels to overcome, it makes it what should be a little bit more difficult is a little easier for the persons with nefarious intentions to